Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your tabletop gaming setup with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today we're covering the top 5 best 3D printers for miniatures, chosen for their crisp resolution, safety features, ease of use, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all of the product links in the description below. Let's get started right now on the list. We're kickstarting our list today with the ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra 16K. It's a powerhouse featuring a massive 10-inch 16K monochrome LCD screen and a flip-up lid. The biggest feature here is the tilt release technology, allowing prints to peel off quickly. This means we're getting speeds up to 150 millimeters per hour. For tabletop gamers, this massive build plate offers tons of room for printing giant monsters or entire squads of soldiers at once. Setup is incredibly easy with its smart automatic leveling system. Users love the built-in AI camera for real-time monitoring and the smart tank heating that keeps resin at a perfect temperature. This prevents defects like bubbles and layer separation, leading to flawless prints out of the box. But it's not perfect. Some users complain about resin pooling on top of the build plate, and there's a lack of paper instructions for true beginners. A firmware update might also mess with your settings, so be careful. Still, with its crispy details, it's definitely an incredible premium pick for any serious miniature artist out there right now.
Next, we're checking out the Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K. It's built like a tank with reinforced dual linear rails that stay super stable during long print jobs. It packs a 9.3-inch monochrome LCD screen with a solid print volume of about 8 by 5 by 9 inches. For makers who want a great balance between size and performance, this is definitely a very attractive option. The 52-micron XY resolution outputs reliable quality, making it highly ideal for tabletop figures. Setup is simple, and the metal build cuts down on printer vibrations. But there are a few downsides. The resin vat is surprisingly shallow. If you try to print larger models, it might run out of resin, and pausing to add more causes failures half the time. Some users also complain about the annoying alarm that rings at the start of every print, and the bundled resin is basically completely useless. Despite those flaws, if you swap the resin, this machine delivers some incredible value. It's a reliable workhorse that's perfect for anyone wanting to step up their game with larger terrain pieces.
At slot number 3, we have the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4. This budget-friendly option boasts a 7-inch 10K monochrome LCD screen, giving you an impressive resolution of 17 by 17 microns. It uses the ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix light source to deliver stable, balanced, and uniform lighting, which drastically reduces layer lines. This is perfect for printing tiny tabletop miniatures with insane details. Setup is incredibly straightforward, and the laser-engraved build plate offers excellent adhesion. It also features a handy resume print function for power outages. However, there are also some compromises to keep in mind. The print volume is quite tiny, so don't expect to build giant terrain. The body is constructed mostly of cheap plastic, and the touchscreen can feel cheap or go out of alignment over time. Plus, the proprietary FEP film comes as a completely whole integrated unit, which is expensive to buy and replace if you get even a tiny scratch. But if you're looking for a highly dedicated miniature printer that delivers flawless detail on a tight budget, this little guy is definitely an absolute steal for gaming beginners.
Next up on our list is the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS. This compact machine packs a 7.1-inch monochrome LCD screen with an ultra-sharp 22-micron XY printing resolution. If you want to print miniatures with mind-blowing detail and incredibly crisp surfaces, this is easily the best possible value for an 8K printer. It has a build volume of 6.5 by nearly 3 by 7 inches, which is definitely the perfect size for action figures and tabletop models. The single linear rail design keeps things smooth, making it a highly reliable and smooth tabletop workhorse. However, we have to look at some of its quirks. It relies purely on USB connectivity, so you can't send files over Wi-Fi like other modern machines. Some users have reported that the small touchscreen can occasionally freeze up, requiring a quick reboot, and some third-party thumb drives don't fit perfectly in the slot. There's also a slight learning curve to dial in the resin exposure times. But for the price, the sheer image quality makes it a massive, clear win for tabletop gamers who want flawless details.
Finally, we're wrapping up our list today with the ELEGOO Mars 5. This is a highly popular entry-level desktop machine featuring a 6.6-inch 4K monochrome LCD screen. For gamers on a budget, it offers advanced automatic leveling that works perfectly straight out of the box, making setup a breeze. It also packs a smart mechanical sensor for residue detection and timely alarms to prevent damaging the screen. The textured build plate does a great job with bottom layer resin adhesion, and the flip lock makes plate removal much easier and faster than old screw knob designs. However, it's not without some significant flaws. Changing the FEP film on this vat is tedious and requires extra steps compared to other brands. Some users also complain that the required satellite slicing software program is buggy and often makes adding manual supports extremely frustrating. Plus, the vat screws can feel a bit cheap and can strip if you force them in. But if you don't touch the default exposure settings, this printer is definitely a cheap, reliable machine that consistently spits out beautiful tabletop miniatures with ease. And that wraps up the top 5 best 3D printers for miniatures. If this video helps you out today, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our latest tech picks. We hope this buyer guide makes choosing your next machine a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and we'll definitely see you guys back here in the very next video. Take care, and goodbye everyone!